Are you making a major money mistake that will cost you so much down the line? Hey, Cece Cheney here, and I have got to tell you, today I'm sharing with you a major money mistake that your financial advisor wants you to make. Right, so this actually blew my mind a little bit, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to come and talk to you about this. I don't know about you, but I don't feel like people talk enough about money and finances. Right? Like, do you have a lot of really good role models when it comes to money and finances? I didn't growing up and as I got older. And so it has been really cool to learn from people who know what the heck they're talking about. So in Tony Robbins' Comeback Challenge, he brought in two financial minds to really talk to us about our financial futures, right? And the importance of taking charge of that. And I learned something that kind of blew my mind. And I thought, whoa, you know, based on what you guys are saying, more people need to know this. So that's what I thought we'd talk about today. I'm actually reading his book, Unshakable. So this is a good resource for you if you're trying to navigate your finances and figure it all out. Okay. So what is this major money mistake that your financial advisor actually wants you to make? Let me know what you think in the comments. But okay, the major mistake that so many people have made and are making is putting someone in charge of your finances who isn't legally required to act in your best interests. What? What do you mean? What do you mean? Right? Like, I didn't know this was a thing. Okay, so here's the reality, guys. This is for the United States. In the US, 90% of all financial advisors are actually brokers. Okay, which means that they are paid a fee or a commission to sell products. Okay, so this also means that they do not have to do what's legally best in your best interest. They have their own standard because they have a really good financial lobby. And this standard says that you only have to do what's suitable. Okay, you have to do what's suitable. So what do you need to do? You need to find a registered independent advisor, an RIA. These people are called fiduciaries, and they are legally required to act in your best interest. In fact, if, for example, an RIA tells you to buy Apple stock in the morning, and then later in the afternoon they buy it at a cheaper price, they're actually legally obligated to obligated to give you their shares, okay, of the stocks that they bought. So they're held to a higher standard. Now, I'm going to tell you something that I found out. Only 10% of all financial advisors are RIAs. But you have to beware because even RIAs can be duly registered, meaning that they can act as both a fiduciary and a broker. Crazy. So in one moment, they can say, yes, I have your best interest in heart. And another moment, they can try and sell you what's best for their pocketbook. So if you're thinking, okay, Cece, well, I don't want to be screwed. What do I do? Well, in the book, there are 7 questions you want to ask a financial advisor before you hand your hard-earned cash over. If you'd like those 7 questions, shoot me a message and I'll get them over to you. Otherwise, look forward to chatting with you soon. Ciao.